Hey everyone, and welcome to day one of our epic 100-day journey into the fascinating world of computer science. My name is Your Name, and I'll be your guide as we go from absolute beginner to advanced concepts. Today, we're kicking things off with a question that might seem simple, but has profound implications. What exactly is a computer? When you hear computer, you probably picture a laptop, a desktop, or maybe your smartphone. And you'd be right. Those are definitely computers. But the concept goes much, much deeper than just the shiny devices we use every day. At its core, a computer isn't just a box with a screen. It's a machine, an electronic device designed to take in information, process it, and then produce an output. Think of it like a super efficient personal assistant or a brilliant chef. You give the chef ingredients, input, they follow a recipe and cook, process, and then they give you a delicious meal, output. A computer does something very similar, but with data. To understand how this magic happens, we need to talk about two fundamental aspects, hardware and software. Imagine a car. The hardware is everything you can touch and see, the engine, the wheels, the seats, the steering wheel. These are the physical components. In a computer, hardware includes things like the central processing unit, or CPU, often called the brain of the computer, RAM, which is its short-term memory, and storage, like a hard drive or SSD, which is its long-term memory. Then there's software. If hardware is the car, software is the driver's manual, the navigation system, and even the laws of the road. It's the set of instructions, programs, and data that tell the hardware what to do. Your operating system, like Windows or Mac OS, and all your apps, from your web browser to your favorite game, are software. Hardware without software is just a collection of parts. Software without hardware is just an idea. Every single interaction you have with a computer follows a fundamental cycle: input, process, output. Let's break it down. Input is how you feed information into the computer. When you type on your keyboard, click your mouse, or tap your phone screen, you're providing input. The computer takes that raw data. Then comes the process stage. This is where the CPU and RAM work together to perform calculations, execute instructions, and manipulate that data based on the software's commands. For example, when you type hello, the computer processes those keystrokes, converts them into digital signals, and prepares them to be displayed. Finally, we have output. This is how the computer presents the results back to you. The text appearing on your screen, a song playing through your speakers, a document printing on your printer, these are all forms of output. It's a continuous loop, happening countless times every second. Now, let's expand our definition even further. Computers aren't just confined to our desks or pockets. They are truly everywhere. The smart TV in your living room, the navigation system in your car, the thermostat controlling your home's temperature, even the smart refrigerator that orders groceries, these all have tiny, specialized computers embedded within them. These are called embedded systems, and they're designed for specific tasks. From the massive supercomputers that forecast weather to the tiny microcontrollers in your washing machine, the fundamental principles of input, process, and output remain the same. The world as we know it is built on and powered by computers, constantly collecting, processing, and presenting information. So, to recap, a computer is an electronic device that takes input, processes it, and produces output. It's composed of tangible hardware and intangible software that gives it instructions. And crucially, computers are not just laptops and phones, they are the unseen brains behind countless devices in our modern world. Understanding this basic definition is your very first step into unlocking the secrets of computer science. It's a powerful foundation. Tomorrow, on day 2, we're going to dive even deeper and explore the absolute bedrock of how computers communicate and store information. We'll be talking about bits and bytes, the zeros and ones that form the language of every computer. Don't miss it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with anyone curious about CS. See you tomorrow.